Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm just going to do a haul. I've gotten lots of stuff between Mother's Day and my birthday and being able to go to Tupelo last Wednesday. And also I had one thing that I just did an online shopping order. So I thought I would share with you what I got. Now you've probably seen me use this. This is Mother's Day from my boys. They gave me a gift card to scrapbook.com, and I've been wanting an edge punch and I've been wanting a flower punch. So I got those. This was in the clearance and I thought they were pretty. I like rub-ons. I don't have many and I thought these were beautiful. These came free with the order, and so did this. This came free with the order as well from scrapbook.com. So I like to get as much as I can. And I do like the weird and strange, and I got these rub-ons. They were on clearance. I got these Tim Holtz rub-ons. I wanted the stamps, but they didn't have them. I got me some stencils. I got these two set of stencils. And I got these flower rub-ons. So my boys set me up really well. And for my birthday, they gave me a gift card to Hobby Lobby. So I got something I've been wanting, and that is a cinch. And I got some extra ring binders, or whatever you call those things. And I also got some lace and some Tim Holtz ephemera. So my boys said they really take care of their mama. I've been wanting one of these for a while. Make glue books and stuff. Alright, my husband, I did a shop online with my friend Cheryl at Inked Pulp, and she had a lot of cool stuff. So that's what I wanted for my birthday, and that's what my husband got me. I got these package of tissues that I thought were pretty. I got a bunch of different brads. I love brads, and you just don't find them many places. I got this. This was a freebie. I won it for being early there. I got these fat quarters. I've got some little doilies in lace. I thought this was cool. I got this book. It's like for a stamp collector, but it's got the stamps in there, and I can cut them apart and use them. I mean, I really like that. I thought that was neat. So I got that. I got this children's book. I love the images in here. I love to use children's books in my collages. And I love these. I missed out on some. Got these, and I'm happy with these. These will be great for collage. They're art doll books, and I love them. I can't wait to use these. I mean, isn't that the coolest? Plus it gives you ideas on things to make, although I'm not sure if I can go down that road. I've got so many hobbies. So, but I love this stuff, and it would be so cool using it in collages. And I got this one as well. And I mean, those are the most unique dolls. I love it. Tina Turner Dolly. I love it. Wow. These are so cool. Okay. And he also, from Amazon, gave me the, I got this Tim Holtz, the little photo things, and this cutout and collage. And I really like this one. It's got some beautiful images. I'm just going to do like a quick flip through. You can kind of get an idea of what's in here. I like that they've got some bigger and some smaller. You know, you got your small ones, but you've also got some bigger ones. And I like this book. I've been holding on to do a flip through. Oh, had two covers. Oh no, it's just a page. But now I can cut into it. All right, and let's see, what else did I get? Oh, my other that I got from Cheryl on a different buying spree. I got this lace and trim. I got some library cards. I got this trim. That was a thank you. I got this pretty fabric. I was going to use it for my Peter Rabbit if I ever get it done. These little adhesive, they're real pretty. I don't know if you can see them. They've got like flowers and different butterflies and things like that in there. They're really pretty. Got some of these postcards that I thought was cool. This was, I think, $1. Yep, $1.50. And it has some cute Christmas images in there that I can use at Christmas time. And, oops, I love napkins, so I got the pack of that. Peacock. Got that one too. Didn't realize. Got the bicycle. Got that one. It's pretty. I love this one. I like that one. I like that one. That one. We got some fall looking ones. Tulips, my favorite. Got that one. And got these. So, and I think all of this was around 20 bucks. I mean, the fabric and the lace and everything. Sorry about the noise. So, I highly, whenever she has her sales, I highly recommend you go and check them out. Okay. Now for my Tupelo trip. Yeah, I already showed you what I got from Hobby Lobby. I discovered Ollie's. Never been before. And they really have some good prices on brand new books. So these two are for my cooking channel. And I used to follow him on YouTube, and I don't know why I quit. You know, it's sort of like you got so much going on. And I have cooking, and I have my Papercrafting channel, so that's a lot. It's hard to watch everything. But he always had the best Instant Pot recipe, so I've got that. And sheet pan. Just simple, easy recipes for my channel. I found this making your own greeting cards and gift wrap, which I thought was cool. They really have some great ideas, and you can also use it for, you know, collaging and journaling and everything. But I thought that was really neat. Craft Your Stash. You had lots of things that you can make with some of the stuff that you have. You know, how to use some of the stuff you have. I think that's pretty. But I love stuff like this. I got me an Ollie's card. And I got this one, Scrapbooking for Home Decor. So I thought that one was cool too. There's lots of ideas you can use in so many different areas. So I'm really pleased with that. And the last was I got to go to Joann's. I had a 40% off of one regular priced item, and I also had 20% off of my whole order for my birthday. So they had these stamps. It was buy two get three free. So I love little bitty stamps that you can just, you know, use for background and things like that. So I got that. This was my 40% off, and it's texture paste. It's a metallic colored texture paste, and I'm anxious to try that because all I have is the white, or the, you know, like the crackle. And so I'm anxious to try this. And they had these papers, buy two get three free, and they were $2.49 each. So were the stamps. And so for, you know, $5 for all of these and $5 for all of these stamps, I think that's a great deal. And they had a copy of the last Somerset Studio, and so I grabbed it. I really like this magazine. First time I seen it was on my friend Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs. She got the last one, and I started to get it, but then I saw this one, so I figured I would get this one. But I mean, I love stuff like this. I love that moody and dark and mystical type stuff. It just, I don't know, it's just fun to me. So that is my haul, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I didn't bore you with it. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful weekend, and until next time, bye y'all.